In summer, this is always full of people.
Yeah.
It used to be. Look at them on the pour over there. Hey? Look at how many people there are.
Yeah.
It doesn't take long for the people to get here, find out a place to park and try fishing. Out of town people, I mean.
Yeah.
Dave will go all the way down.
Problem is, they're not supposed to be passed. There. Except most of those people are not where they're supposed to be. Okay.
Yeah.
Look at the size of that one pelican here.
There's a whole flock of them down there.
Can you see all of the pelicans over there? A lot of them.
That match here.
Yeah.
All those white things over there.
Yeah. Hundreds of them. You see him? The guy standing at the back? He's caught something big. Did you zoom into it? Or did you?
Oh, it's pretty zoomed.
Okay. It's making them work.
Uh-huh. Vietnamese or Philippines?
I don't know. If it's his first one, though, he'll have to kiss it. It's getting close. It's about 10 feet behind the boat now. Oh, look at it pull. Oh, that's got to be a cat. Got to be a catfish.
Where's the net for him?
The other guy is getting his reel in.
He's been getting his reel in.
I'm going to move up a bit because it looks like he's at the guy in the red shirt. Looks like he's ready to bring him in. Bending that rod in half. Hey, look at that.
Holy.
Oh man, it's putting up a good fight. Oh,
Oh, it's big.
Yeah.
Do you like fishing, Amber?
No.
Hey?
No.
No, I do.
I do, but the damn things keep biting my hooks.
Well, that's right.
It ruins
Would
the
be okay if you
peacefulness.
could just cast and not catch anything. Did it get off or?
No, I don't think so. I think he's just letting it run a bit. They're changing places so the guy can get it. Oh, now you know what it is? It's moving back and forth on him.
Yeah.
So the guy with the red shirt's gonna take the... I'm not sure what he's doing. Oh, he's gonna try and net his own.
Good luck with that.
Yeah, no kidding.
That big. Oh, it's right there.
Oh, well. I don't know, that might be it. It ran under the boat is what it did.
Yeah, and it's kind of wedged, I think.
Put the net in the water and get ready.
Because you're going to go on your head.
Oh, you got it.
It's not that big.
Eh?
Doesn't look that big.
No, put up a good fight for its size.
Mm-hmm.
Holding it.
Yeah, but I can't tell what it is.
Want him to look this way?
Still it's... Oh, it is pretty big.
Yeah. He showed it for us, eh?
Yeah, and he let it go.
Yeah. There's a cat.